guys, so we're solving physics GRE 15. Basically this problem is difficult because we need to use the general lensing formula. So 1 over f equals to n minus 1 times r 1 over r1 minus 1 over r2. And the f is the focus, and the r1 is the curvature of the left hand side, r2 is the curvature of the right hand side. The difficult part is the side convention. Okay, because your lights travel from here. Okay, so let me use another color. Your light travel from here. So if you say that you will spread out the lights, then R1 should be negative. And then if you will try to focus the lights, then it's positive. So this is the left hand side convention. At the right hand side, this one is focus, so it's positive, and this is negative. This is negative. Okay, so the first one, 1 over f basically is n minus 1. In our case, because n minus 1 is constant, I just let it to be 1. Okay. So 1 over f is so this is negative, minus this is positive. So this f is minus r over 2. And then what we need to find is the shortest positive. So a cannot be the answer. Okay, then b be the 1 over f. This is infinity. When the length is flat, it's infinity. Minus this is positive. Okay, how about c? So so these two cannot be the answer. C, this is infinity. So and this one is positive. But this positive, these r is very large, close to the infinity. So I denoted large. So this f is minus. Oh no, this is minus. Okay, so this is positive, this is negative, so this is plus, because there is minus, so this is plus. So this is very large. Some are large, very large, because this is very close to flat. And the d, which is basically this is the reverse of the first one. So basically the first one, which is negative, the first one, which is positive, minus this one is negative. So this f is close to r over 2. And the e, okay, e is basically r over 2, right? But this r tilde is less than the d. So the answer should be CD, one of these. But you see the E should be the smallest. So the answer is E. I think this question is difficult. Because the sign convention is difficult. Okay, and another way to solve it is you remember the general property of the lens. The general property of lens is that so the general property is basically if you see which is this shape, then this f to be positive. If this shape, then f should be negative. But even though you know this formula, then you can just say that maybe C, D, E can be the answer, and then you can guess which maybe E is the correct one. because you know that if you know that if your shape is very close to the original flat mirror, then your focus will be basically infinity. So if your shape looks very fat, looks more fat, then its focus should be should be smaller. So if you have this kind of intuition, then it will help you to get a correct answer. But in general, you can use the general lens formula to solve it. So the answer is E. The answer is E. That's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.